Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with this Victoria Beckham matte bronze and brick. I'm late to the party and I got curious about this. I don't remember what video I did, but maybe it was a bronzing video, and I was stating how I've been loving like very subtle bronzing, and a couple people in the comments mentioned this bronzer. I've never purchased anything from this makeup lines, kind of luxe, a little pricey. And so I decided I'm going to try it. Okay, so let's just talk a little bit. And this is not a first impression. I just want to come on this camera and show you guys this bronzer. So it retails for $58. It was free shipping, but they got me on state and local taxes. So I paid a total of like 63 something for this bronzer. There's a total of 5 shades. So a little bit about it. It's a bronzing powder duo in a smooth, matte, shimmer-free, soft focus finish infused with natural oils and butters. The talc-free formula provides streak-free application and lasting wear, warms and defines the skin to create a soft, natural bronze. And that's what I've been into, like something soft and very natural. Not a lot of harshness and a lot of like red, with a subtle dimension. This is what I've been loving. The first shade adds warmth and even the skin tone. The second sculpts and defines the natural contours of the face. Your finished skin look is healthy, naturally bronzed, subtly sculpted, and gently blurred, but never dulled, for a year-round warmth and definition. So this is pretty much sums up everything that I've been looking for in like a powder or even a cream bronzer these days. Okay, so I got the shade. There's a total of 5 shades, of course, 5 being the darkest, 05, but I went with 04 because, like I said, I wanted something very subtle. Did not see a lot of reviews on dark skin people. Actually, I saw one, but I didn't completely look at it. It was the plastic board and he had 05. And I said, you know, I'm going to go with 04. Anywho, this is what the packaging looks like. It's super, super luxe. This feels so, like when you feel this, if you own this, feels super heavy in the hand. This is like when you pay like a lot of money for makeup and it makes up too with the packaging, it's always a good thing. The packaging is absolutely stunning, very heavy, very beautiful. Has this little pressy clasp thing that you open. All right, so this is what shade 4 looks like. All right. So when I saw this, I'm like, girl, did you play yourself? Right? So like I said, I've used this before and they were saying, oh, shipping is going to be delayed. I got this so fast. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. So I'm almost done with my makeup. I just stopped at the part where I would put on powder bronzer. So because I was doing this demo today, I'm not wearing cream bronzer like all the way here. I put a little bit, as you can see, right here, right where all this hair start from my hair, right there. Oh, and right here. And girl, I had my moles removed. Oh, I'm so happy. So like right here, but like all the way here, does not have any bronzer. Did not put any cream bronzer on my forehead, okay? So this is how I've been using it. I've been putting it directly in the center, like that. And I've been picking it. Now it's super, super soft. So does this kick up? This is what it looks like on the brush, and this is 04, right? So I'm going to go ahead now and start bronzing. Are you guys seeing this? Are you guys seeing how beautiful this bronzer is? And if you're here for the first time, I'm NC50 and MAC. This is 04, guys. Do not be afraid of 04. Oh my God. And yes, this is 04. It's beautiful. It shows up and shows out on my skin tone. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. It's like butter. This is like butter. Look at this. This is 04, guys. So it's very deceptive in the pan. It's not as light as it looks in the pan. And everything in the description, I mean, this makes me want to like buy more of her products now. This is good. It's like butter. Look at that. This is exactly what I was looking for in a bronzing powder. How beautiful and subtle is this? It's so pretty, so easy to put on, and I've been loving it with this brush. Initially when I got it, this was dirty, and I used my Real Techniques brush. But I love this better. I feel like I can cover more, and it gives like a beautiful airbrushed finish to it. But let me tell you, I do not regret buying 04. When I saw it, I was like, oh boy. And I said, you know what? I have to just do a review and demo. Well, not so much of a review, a demo, because like I said, I've used it before. I couldn't wait. Look at that. Look at that. 04. It's exactly what I wanted. It's exactly what I was looking for. Nothing too red, nothing too harsh. Oh, it's good. I just want to just keep buffing it onto my face. It's so pretty. And like I said, I put it right in the center. And as you can build it up, and I don't need to anymore. Look how pretty this is. This is 04. Oh God, it's gorgeous. This is such a beautiful bronzing powder. I mean, this is one of the best bronzing powders I've ever used. So to whoever, I don't remember, I think it was more than maybe my 2 or 3 people in the comments that was talking about this bronzer. Thank you for even mentioning this bronzer to me, because I had no idea it existed, honestly, because I didn't really pay much attention to her brand. I know one time she did something with Estee Lauder. I think it was a highlighter, and I was very tempted to get it, and I don't know what happened. But oh my goodness. And look at it in the pan. If you're a woman of color and you're around my complexion and you see this shade 4, you'll be like, But, like I said, very deceptive in the pan, because look at my face. It showed up and showed out. It's a beautiful, warm color. It's not too red. It's not too cool. I would say it's somewhere in between. This is absolutely stunning. The formula, guys, like I said, it's super, super soft. So there is kick up when you put your brush in there. So I tend to like more tap, 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 tap instead of like sweep. I swept because of this video I wanted you guys to see. But as you can see, it's pigmented. It's pigmented. This, I can't speak. I'm so excited. Do you want to get excited over products? I'm telling you, this is worth the 58 bucks. I'm so happy I chose shade 4. When I saw it, I was like, you played yourself. The packaging, the way it feels, but more importantly, the quality of the product. It's absolutely stunning. Like, this is my 3rd time using it. I've used it twice, and I don't think I'm gonna stop. I'm not gonna put this down. This is absolutely stunning, guys. So beautiful. Look at that. So if you were looking at this bronzer and you were just more geared towards shade 5, the darkest shade, you can pull this off if you're my complexion. This is absolutely stunning, guys. So beautiful. All right, so I finished up my makeup. I put on my blush and my highlighter. But yes, listen, guys. I mean, we all makeup lovers here. That's why you guys look at my videos. You need to add this bronzer to your collection. It's worth every penny, from the packaging to the formula to the way it goes under skin. This is like butter. The formula is so beautiful. So beautiful. It's one of the best formulas, like I said, I've tried. And now I'm so tempted to try whatever else she has on her brand. This is perfection in a compact. Buy this if you can. It's so, so good. I just love the way it just bronzed up my forehead. But it's not too much. It's like she, you know what? I think she saw my videos and she made this for me. She was like, girl, I got you. 04, I got you. I made this for you. And my name's on the back. It's so good, guys. So if you're my complexion and you've been looking at, listen, the sun is going in and out. I can see it like on this side. I'm trying to move myself over to get the sun. So just bear with me, because it's early and I'm trying to grab all the sunlight that I can, because my ring light is really turned down today, because I wanted you guys to see how beautiful this is. So like I said, if you're my complexion, I mean, go ahead with shade 5 if you're a dark skin person. It's worth it, because that's definitely going to show up and show out. If this showed up so much on my skin tone, but this is what I like, very subtle. And I think that's what she was going for. There's nothing like a beautiful, subtle, sun-kissed bronzer, and this is it. Anyway, guys, I'm going to stop carrying on. Just ran out. purchase this. Anyway, guys, I will see. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.